What is a Python equivalent of PHP's var_dump? When debugging in PHP, I frequently find it useful to simply stick a var_dump in my code to show me what a variable is, what its value is, and the same for anything that it contains. What is a good Python equivalent for this?
To display a value nicely, you can use the pprint module. The easiest way to dump all variables with it is to do. If you are running in CGI, a useful debugging feature is the chip module, which displays the value of local variables as part of the traceback.
I think the best equivalent to PHP's var_dump $foo, $bar, is combine print with vars.
The closest thing to PHP's var_dump is pprint with the getMembers function in the built-in inspect module.
I wrote a very lightweight alternative to PHP's var_dump for using in Python and made it open source later. GitHub, this URL. You can simply install it using pip. Usage example. Prints.
PHP is a better form.